Hello and welcome to the state capital, Providence, Rhode Island. We're here at the State House. I can go knock on the door if I want to, but I want to show you the rest of the city first. Rhode Island is only 45 minutes big to show you that everything we need for the conference is at our fingertips. Right across the street we have a mall, we have transportation, train and bus, and we have a plethora of hotels, restaurants, and entertainment waterfront just across the street. Right now I'm at the main spot where we all cross the street together. You can see behind me the State House that we saw. The entire mall is the length of the road with the restaurants on the main level. In front of me is the Providence skyline and also the Riverwalk, and the mall is actually connected via Skybridge to the major hotels that are down city as well. The Skybridge now at the end of the mall connects directly to the Omni Hotel. The Omni Hotel is these two large pillars and the part in the middle that connects to the Skybridge to the mall. You don't have to walk across this dangerous street if you're not comfortable. And here we have the Courtyard by Marriott right across the street. Courtyard is more business friendly, but I know there is a pool and hot tub in there. Thank you for taking our walking tour with us. This is our city. Everything we need is right at our fingertips within walking distance. For travel, PVD Airport is about 12 minutes away from this location by car. Logan Boston International Airport is 45 minutes away by car. And right behind me is the Amtrak station if you're taking the train to come into Providence. We hope to see you soon.